Hi everyone, my name is Mayank and welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a very short video in which I'm going to give you a very small piece of information but very useful piece of information. So I just wanted to let you all know I understand that most of the subscribers on this channel are probably people who like reading books because I started with books and I have posted a lot of bookish videos. If you're looking to buy a Kindle, which is a book reading device from Amazon, I would suggest that you wait. So there are news that Amazon Great Indian Sale is going to be live very soon, hopefully in this month, and you will get great offers on all of the many different categories of items. But specifically on Kindle, I wanted to say that electronic items, for example, the Kindle, they get a lot of discount while in the Great Indian Sale. So because another important thing is that these items are going to be your use for a long period of time. So for example, if you buy a Kindle, you are going to use it for a long time. Kindles are very durable, so you'll use it probably at least 5 years. So it is always better to buy a higher quality model. So there are two basic models of Kindle available, the Kindle basic one and the Kindle Paperwhite. Now the Kindle Paperwhite is a bit expensive, but on the Great Indian Sale you can get it for a cheaper price. So I would suggest that you wait for the Great Indian Sale and then decide to buy the products. So just to give you an idea, I had purchased the Kindle Paperwhite. Now this one usually costs around 13,000 rupees, but on the Great Indian Sale, not the Great Indian Sale, but a sale happened in January from Amazon. I bought this for just 10,300 rupees. So that's a massive 2,700 rupees discount. And I think you got around 1,500 rupees discount on the Kindle basic version as well. So you can wait for the sale because it is always better to wait for some time and you will get a great discount for it. So wait for it and hopefully you should get great offers on Kindle. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.